Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Monster Mash shake. So I'm adding my ice water and I'm doing about 20 ounces of ice and water combination. I'm doing pralines and cream. We'll do 2 scoops. Two scoops of our vanilla PDM. Doing 1 scoop of cheesecake. Putting mix 1 scoop of pecans. And I'm adding some blue food coloring and some red food coloring. I'm gonna pour my shake, top it with some whipped cream and some Halloween sprinkles. And that's it. That's how you make the Monster Mash shake. Thanks for watching.